Hello friends, welcome to TrendTech Guide. Today I will show you how to see the download history on Google Play Store. So if you are new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe. So let's start. First of all, you can see I'm here in my Android phone. Now over here you can find here is Play Store. Tap on it. On the top right, tap on this profile icon. And now go to this Manage Apps and Devices. Tap on this Manage. After that, you'll find your installed apps over here. Also, on the side of this installed, here is a drop down. Tap on it and now here is not installed. Tap on this and over here you can find here are the multiple apps which you have installed at least once on your device. So in this way we can find download history on Google Play Store. So if you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe. Have a good time.